This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on Google Calendar. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Google Calendar. This should work the same on the desktop app as it does on the browser version, but to enable or disable dark mode, as you can see, I am currently in light mode. But to enable or disable dark mode, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the little gear wheel. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Appearance and click on Appearance. A little dialog box will open up. As you can see, I'm currently in light mode, but if I wanted to enable dark mode, I would toggle this on, or if I wanted to go to whatever my device is set to, I would toggle on device. I'm going to toggle on dark mode. Now I have went to dark mode, but that is how to enable or disable dark mode on Google Calendar. Thanks for watching.